Today, I'm reviewing ClickUp 4.0, a major update that unifies tasks, docs, chat, calendars, and AI into one workspace to reduce context switching and improve team productivity in 2025. ClickUp 4.0 aims to solve work sprawl with a unified sidebar and deep AI integration, including ClickUp Brain, AI chat, and agents that summarize work, create tasks, and automate workflows. A key feature is the Personal Planner, which uses AI to time block schedules automatically, plus native meetings with AI note-takers that record, transcribe, and convert discussions into tasks. Reviews in 2025 praise ClickUp as a powerful all-in-one tool that can replace apps like Slack or Notion, but users also report a steep learning curve and occasional performance slowdowns. Community feedback shows mixed experiences, with some users citing bugs, interface frustrations, and inconsistent onboarding or support, especially for teams migrating complex workflows. Overall, ClickUp 4.0 stands out in 2025 as an ambitious, feature-rich workspace combining productivity and AI, but it requires time to learn and may have usability or performance trade-offs.